Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to report someone on Discord. So first of all, open the contact whom you want to report and now right click on the contact and click on copy ID. After copying the contact or friend ID, open a new tab and type Discord help. And click on Discord support. Submit a request. What can we help you with? Click here and select Trust and Safety. Enter here your Discord account email. How can we help? And select Report Other Issue, or you can select Report Abuse or Harassment, Report Spam. What would you like to report? Select spam from a user or bot. Check this option. You can enter here the message link, but I'm gonna entering the profile ID here and enter here subject and write here your description. Also attach the user ID here. And I can attach something from here, then tap on submit, and that's how you can report someone on Discord. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.